Hello everyone. Today we are going to see one new problem that is based on removing or eliminating the useless production. Already we have uploaded two videos previously to this one. So this is a third problem regarding the same topic. Okay. So for eliminating the useless production, we want to do two major steps. One is we want to eliminate the terminals. Okay, we need to eliminate the terminals or the productions which don't goes to a terminal, which is not going to stop by printing a terminal. Okay, that is one. Second one is we need to eliminate the not reachables. Okay, the not reachables from the starting state. Okay, so we want to do two major steps. So we'll do one plotting a table, and again for the step two we'll have another table. Okay, so we quickly see how to do that one. So first one, to eliminate the production that does not going to terminate. Okay, not going to reach the terminals. Okay, we want to remove them. For that we have one table, so that is old variable, one is new variable, and one is production. So these are the three columns we need to consider. Okay, so initially the old variable is null, so we don't take any old variable. Okay, so now we'll start with the production. So we'll take all the production that directly leads to the terminals. That is, for example, S derives A. So it is directly leading to the terminal. That is S derives A. So second one, B derives small a. So this is also directly going to the terminal. We'll take that also. Then third one, D derives all D's. That also terminals. We'll take all D. Okay. So now we got a new three variables that are S, B, and D. So these are the three variables. From now onwards, we should assume that if these are act as a terminals, this is going to stop. Okay, so we want to check S on the RHS. So it is not there. Okay, so then we go with the B. Okay, so B is here. So whenever I apply the B, so this condition becomes terminal, so it's going to be stopped. So we'll take that one. So S derives capital B and small b. Okay, again wherever it is B, see, we can substitute the B here and make it terminal. So A derives small a capital B. So that production we should take. So any other one we say no. So then go and check for D. So D is occurring here. So I can't substitute and make it terminal. So no new variable. So SBD is the done. So now what happened? Already we have SBD. So we'll include A also into our list. Okay. Already we have done for SBD. Now we want to take only for A. Okay. We'll try substituting A and making it as a terminal. So where I can do, I can substitute the A here and make it as a terminal. So we take that production. S derives small a and capital A. So again A occurs here. So there also if I substitute or assume this one as a terminal, A is also terminal. So then done. So that is B derives capital A and small a. Okay. So already SBDAs were there. Okay. So whenever the old variable and the new variable is same, so there is no any new variable. So in that stage we'll stop. Okay. And these are the productions. Okay. So these are the productions that going to stop or terminate in one specific condition. So other things are may become infinite loop. Okay, so for the next step, to eliminate the not reachables. Okay, to eliminate the not reachables, we should consider only these many productions. Okay, for that we'll write one more table, that is productions, terminals, and variables. Variables are nothing but non-terminals. Okay, so here what happens? So first we don't have any production, we don't have any terminal, so we'll start with this starting state S. Okay, so now we'll consider all the production that starting with S. So in our case, we have three production: S derives A, S derives BA, S derives small a and capital A. So we'll take all this one: S derives A or S derives BB or S derives small a and capital A. Okay, so these are the productions. So what are the terminals in this one? So it have S. Okay, Okay, s derivation. So what are the terminals we have? Okay, that is small a and small b. So these are the two terminals in this one. And what are the variables they have included? Already we have s. So now the newly included is capital A and capital B. These are the variables, or you can say non-terminals. Okay, so what it means, from yes you can reach a and you can reach b. So now include all the production that satisfy a and b. So for a we have only one production, that is a derives a capital B. So this production we are considering. Okay, for b we have two production, one is b derives a or b derives capital A and small a. So these two. So here again we have a terminal only a b. Already we have a b, there is no any new terminal. Okay, again here also we have a b only, there is no any new terminal. Okay, again here also we have already s. Okay, the newly included is a b already there, so there is no anyone newly included. Again here also you can see b and a, there is no any new variable included. Whenever there is no any new variable included, we should not continue, we need to stop here. Okay, actually this logic what exactly says means, from yes you can reach to a and b. By a chance the b have a new production that is related to c, then we might have been included c, and we might have been included all the production related to c. But in this given example there is no choice of c or d, so they are not reachable from the starting state. Okay, it can be directly or indirectly, so they are not reachable from the starting state. Yes, so finally only these are the productions we need to include in our final answer. So these are the final production that is removed, both not reachables and non-terminals. And these are the terminals, these are the variables. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like for more such videos.